প্রবীর রায়চৌধুরী এখানেও দেখে মনে হচ্ছে ওইরকমই একটা কিছু তো
Why do you need to talk in Bengali?
আমি বাংলায় কথা বলছি
That's okay. That's okay. We'll
Yeah,
translate.
yes,
Yeah.
okay.
जोरदार तालियां ऑफ कोर्स
सब पे राज करेगा मालिक हक से आज करेगा मालिक यही एक हुक्म का
वेलकम दादा थैंक यू सो मच लुकिंग एज डैशिंग एज एवर
Thank you.
यू नो यू ब्रिंग इन अ लॉट ऑफ दैट ग्राविटास बोलें या वो वजन बोलूं मैं यहाँ पे अगर शुद्ध हिंदी में बोलूं तो बड़ा सारा वजन लेके आते हैं आप अभी यहाँ पे यू नो वर्किंग विद दिस टीम एंड व्हाट मेड यू से कि हाँ मुझे ये कैरेक्टर राजकुमार के ऑपोजिट ऐसा दिख रहा है करना है
Well, to be very honest, I was not expecting something like Malik. Suddenly I got a call and I was shooting in Bombay and I met this young bright director. और फर्स्ट मीटिंग के बाद उसका जो पैशन, उनका जो स्टोरी टेलिंग, उनका जो कन्विक्शन अबाउट नॉट ओनली द माई कैरेक्टर, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द एंटायर फर्म, मुझे लगा कि ये अगर हम लोगों का पूरा वो टीम आ जाए, सही टीम, तो ये लड़का फाड़ देगा. मुझे लगता है वो फायर है इनके अंदर. सो मैं शायद आधा घंटा मीटिंग किया, उसके बाद मैंने बोला मैं कर रहा हूँ. And who wants to miss working with my younger brother? Like he makes us proud always as an actor. Of course, he's a big star, but as an actor also. और हमारे सामने जो बैठे हैं, जो actors team, I didn't want to miss this opportunity. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to play. Let's see, 11th. देखते हैं. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच सर
Prosenjit Dada. Hi Prosenjit. Hi. We had met many years back when you were doing a Hindi film. Welcome back to Bollywood. It's
Thank
such
you
a, we are so happy to get you back into Hindi.
Thank you so much.
अच्छा दादा, इस फिल्म में you mentioned that it was a great opportunity to work with such super talented actors and all. But what was it that you made an exception, because you are so busy in Bangla films that you rarely have time for Bollywood Hindi. तो आपने इतना what was it that actually charged you कि नहीं, I want to do Malik?
I think in one word I must say that, yeah, of course the script, the director, at the same time, yeah, I am busy, but at the same time, if you remember, I have done a long back a film called Shanghai. So I really loved the character, which normally I have tried out doing a lot of things, a lot of characters in my career. I think this was something where not only for national audience, even for my Bengali audience, it will be something, a surprise item, where the way he had written the character. So I thought, let me take this as a challenge and let me do it. And I think I really enjoyed doing this character. Honestly, I do characters which I really want to enjoy, so I think I enjoyed it, really. Thank you.
আমার প্রশ্ন বুম্বাদাকে, সেটা হচ্ছে যে বাংলায় তোমাকে পুলিশের চরিত্রে দেখেছি প্রবীর রায়চৌধুরী, এখানেও দেখে মনে হচ্ছে ওইরকমই একটা কিছু তো
Why do you need to talk in Bengali?
আমি বাংলায় কথা বলছি
That's okay. That's okay. We'll
Yeah,
translate.
yes, okay.
তো আমি জানতে চাইছি যে এই চরিত্রটা কতটা আলাদা তোমার বাঙালি পুলিশের থেকে, আর যেহেতু রাজ একটা বাঙালি চরিত্র করবে, সৌরভ গাঙ্গুলি, তোমার কি মনে হয় ও কিরকম করবে?
दो बातें पूछी उन्होंने
वाह,
कि
दोनों
ये कैसे
चीज़ें
अलग है.
हैं.
आपने जैसे कि एक्टर इससे पहले बंगाली सिनेमा में किए हैं, वो इससे कैसे अलग है, और राज जो गांगुली की बायोपिक कर रहे हैं, वो आपको क्या लगता है कैसे करेंगे? ये दो क्वेश्चन है.
ये बहुत ही खुशी की चीज़ है. मैंने बहुत सारे पुलिस ऑफिसर, स्पेशली माय one cult character which I have done was Baisha Shrabon, and then I did a prequel called Dosham Avatar, which is a cult character for Bengali cinema. People remember me for that, Prabir Roy Chaudhary. But I think for this particular character, yes, it's an officer. इसमें भी swag है, but I don't want to talk much about it because I think it's another 11 days. So I think people should come in the theater and see all of us. But we can assure you, every characters have a lot of twist, turn, and something to contribute. So and about Saurabh Ganguly, I think 10 days back Me and Saurav, we were in an event. We were the chief guest. So I was so happy. I hugged him and I told him I'm going to meet Rajkumar. I told him that I'm doing a film and he's going to get it released. So I'm very happy that Ganguly and Raj together. It will be a great, great, great combo. And one of my favorite director, Vikram. So yeah, so I think it will be a great film.